It was August 15th, 1977. Ohio State University's Big Ear radio telescope was listening to the silence of the sky. Its primary purpose was to detect artificial signals from space as part of the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, CT. That night, the telescope detected a unique and powerful radio signal lasting 72 seconds. The next day, volunteer astronomer Jerry Ehman noticed this anomaly while examining the computer output. A series of alphanumeric codes indicated a broadcast many times stronger than the expected background noise. Ehman, in his amazement, penned a single word, giving the phenomenon its name. Wow! Signal? What made this signal so extraordinary was not only its strength, but also its frequency and structure. The signal was detected at precisely 1420 42.56 MHz. This frequency is the frequency at which neutral hydrogen, the most abundant element in the universe, naturally emits. In the scientific community, this is known as the 21-centimeter hydrogen line and is considered the quietest, most interference-free radio window in the universe. CT programs assumed that if an intelligent civilization wanted to communicate with us, it would use this universal frequency to attract attention. The detection of the wow signal at this exact frequency, without any random deviation, was interpreted as the strongest evidence of a deliberate broadcast. The signal's strength reached 30 times the background noise, indicating that the source either possessed an exceptionally powerful transmitter or was much closer to us than we expected. The duration of the signal also confirmed that the source originated from space. Due to the Earth's rotation, the Big Ear telescope could listen to a specific point in the sky for exactly 72 seconds. Observing the signal for this exact time indicated that the signal had not been interrupted, but had simply moved out of the telescope's field of view. If the signal were Earth-borne interference, it would have been detected in a different direction, as the telescope was rotating. However, the signal was not detected by reference antennas monitoring transmissions from Earth. This confirmed that the source was located in deep space, beyond Earth's atmosphere. The direction of the signal was northwest of the constellation Sagittarius. This is a dense region of our Milky Way galaxy. Astronomers immediately began scanning that region again. However, despite years of intensive effort, the signal never recurred. This lack of recurrence is the most troubling aspect of the mystery. Why did such a powerful and specific message remain as a single fleeting flash? This lack of recurrence has given rise to scientific and popular theories. These theories fall into three main categories. 1. Natural astronomical event. Some scientists attributed the signal's origin to hydrogen clouds around a comet in our solar system. However, this theory was contradicted by the signal's narrow bandwidth, the signature of a smart transmitter, and the fact that the comet's orbit should cause the signal to repeat. No other natural phenomenon could produce such a short-lived and powerful broadcast at such a focused frequency. 2. Terrestrial interference. The possibility that the signal originated from a terrestrial source, military radar, satellite broadcast, etc., was quickly dismissed because its frequency was locked to the hydrogen band and was not detected by the telescope's reference antennas. The possibility that the signal originated from interactions within Earth's atmosphere or ionosphere was also low, as distortion would be expected at such a pure frequency. 3. Extraterrestrial intelligent life, ETI. The most exciting and widely discussed theory was that the signal was a deliberate space broadcast. The signal's strength, frequency, and structure, especially the code reading 6EQUJ5, supported the idea that it was a signal generated by an advanced civilization. According to this theory, the signal was either a communication attempt or being used as a beacon, a momentary flash of a massive transmitter proving the existence of a civilization. The lack of a repeat of the signal suggested that the civilization was either extinct or that the transmitter had been used only once as a test and then silenced. This note, handwritten by American researcher Jerry Ehman at the end of the 20th century, became a milestone in the scientific community. The wow signal was considered the strongest and most compelling evidence that gave scientific legitimacy to SETI's quest. While repeated, intensive searches for the signal's source were unsuccessful. This only compounded the mystery. Today, the wow signal remains unsolved. That 72-second broadcast remains tangible evidence of whether we are alone in the universe. The signal, more than a mere radio wave, has become a symbol of humanity's profound loneliness and hope in the cosmos. That brief moment, pushing the boundaries of all known history and science, may have whispered to us that there is someone out there in space,